What? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Lil June, don't you feel like dancing? It's a special night to party. People try to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. It's a special night to party. People try to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. You don't know what to do now. You don't know what to do now. But to rush and hurry now. But to rush and hurry now. You wanna dance right now. You wanna dance right now. Cause you feel the music. Don't you feel like dancing now? 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 People wanna dance already. People want to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. People wanna dance already. People want to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. You don't know what to do now. You don't know what to do now. But to rush and hurry now. But to rush and hurry now. You wanna dance right now. You wanna dance right now. Cause you feel the music. Don't you feel like dancing now? 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 So you feel like dancing? Now break it down for me, baby. You feel about to get that way, nigga. You with about to get some better way. You feel about to get better water, rock and baraka, you that way. You day, then you will up, take it that way. Don't you feel like dancing now? 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 Okay. Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing now.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We present our weekly radio show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have interviews from Aurelio Martinez to Consigo, Gado Nunez, Gloria Osiris, Loro Gostin. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga brings them all to you on our weekly radio show. Listen live on your home computer, smartphone, iPad, and notebook. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook through Ronnie Figueroa. Also on TuneIn. If you don't have the application, download it for free. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga.
Then we start this one now. The big talk in the South is...
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Lil June, don't you feel like dancing? It's a special night to party. People try to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. It's a special night to party. People try to rush and hurry, cause it's soca night. You don't know what to do now. You don't know what to do now. But to rush and hurry now. But to rush and hurry now. You wanna dance right now. You wanna dance right now. 'cause you feel the music. Don't you feel like dancing now? 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 People wanna dance already. People want to rush and hurry, 'cause it's so nice. People wanna dance already. People want to rush and hurry, 'cause it's so nice. You don't know what to do now. You don't know what to do now. But to rush and hurry now. But to rush and hurry now. You wanna dance right now. You wanna dance right now. 'Cause you feel the music. Don't you feel like dancing now? 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 Don't you feel like dancing now?
So you feel like dancing? Break it down for me, baby. La parte que trata que puede que yo cuenta parte que sabe de pues. Con la pana me mete por terra con barraca y yo te pues. Para la lata me yo de pues, te yo con la parte que te pues.
Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now?
Okay.
Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing now. Feel like dancing. Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now? Don't you feel like dancing now?
You know, you don't know this is Consigo endorsing, you don't know little June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. You don't know how love from that, so do it. Check SK.
Little Labuga, so ladies and gentlemen, I got my face out. Time to shake the world, baby.
Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up.
Hey,
Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. She like to party. She wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. She like to party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party.
hey, do it. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Look at the ball. Hi, shot. Here we go.
She wanna party, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy. She wanna party, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy. She feeling the rhythm now, she feeling the rhythm now, she feeling the rhythm now, and she going crazy. She getting ready now to dance up and down. She getting ready now to dance up and down. Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up.
Hey,
Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. Excuse me, lady.
shit. Little Juice said, look, do,
and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up. Hey, why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. She like to party. She wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. She like to party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. Alright, it's time to feel the vibe, baby. Little truth to your left. Okay, she feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now, rhythm now. She feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now. Look at the she feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now. She feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now, rhythm. Oh, hey yo, everybody, look out for Lil June C. Hey, I got my face to lay. Hey, Sally get a la 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 bo, Sally get a la 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 bo, Sally get a la la la. Oh, Lil June la boom, that show, ladies and gentlemen. I got my face to time to shake the world, baby. Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up. Hey, why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. She like to party. She wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. She like to party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. Hey, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Look at the ball. She wanna party, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy. She wanna party, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy, and she feeling crazy. She feeling the rhythm now, she feeling the rhythm now, she feeling the rhythm now, and she going crazy. She getting ready now to dance up and down. She getting ready now to dance up and down. Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up. Hey, why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. Excuse me, lady. Shit. Little Juice, let's go. Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up. Hey, why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Why she going up and down? Down, down, up, up. She like to party. She wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. She like to party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. And she wanna party. Alright, it's time to feel the vibe, baby. Feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now, rhythm now. She feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now. Look at the she feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now. She feeling the rhythm now, rhythm now, rhythm. Oh, hey yo, everybody, look out for Lil June C. Hey, I got my face to lay. Hey, Sally get a la 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 bo, Sally get a la 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 bo, Sally get a la la la.
Lil June music, man.
Oh, okay, I'ma put the bottom.
You know what time is it?
Okay, let me scribble, scrabble.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you know what time is it? This is Lil June, aka Labuga. Rocking your body to the sweet rhythm, shaking your body to the smooth rhythm, rocking your body to the sweet rhythm, shaking your body to the smooth rhythm, rocking your body left to right, going down, rocking your body left to right, going down, rocking your body left to right, coming up, rocking your body left to right, coming up, rocking your body, rocking your body, rocking your body, rocking your body. Roca tu cintura con este dulce ritmo. Roca tu cintura con este dulce ritmo. Tu pupani gubu pani le pimuti wafara. Tu pupani gubu pani tu cintura, troca tu cintura, tu bubani o gubum, tu bubani o gubum. What time is it? Bom stop and rock your body stop. Troca tu cintura, bom para de que jude, bom para de que jude, baby. Stop and rock your body stop. Tu bubani o gubum.
Troca tu cintura, papi, escuta bem. Escuta bem, escuta bem. Tu bubani o gubum, escuta bem.
Rocking your body left to right, go way down, go way down. Tu bubani o gubum. Troca tu cintura, come up, tu bubani o gubum. Rocking your body, rocking your body, rocking your body.
That's enough? Queremos, queremos, sí. Okay. Escuta bem, escuta bem. Give it to them one more time.
Bom stop and rock your body stop. Troca tu cintura, bom para de que jude, bom para de que jude, baby. Stop and rock your body stop. Tu bubani o gubum.
We gotta give it to them one time. All right, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, Luamina Hatu, everybody. Lil Jutelin, Labuga, so good. SK the records. All ready? Let's go.
Let's have fun tonight.
gentlemen, we're live and direct.
Okay, let's go one more time.
Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga live from the studios in Long Beach.
Everybody moving, everybody dancing. They love to punta all night. Everybody moving, everybody dancing. They love to punta all night. Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. It's cool tonight. It's cool tonight.
On the ready?
Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. Let's have fun tonight. It's cool tonight. It's cool tonight.
Get the fight. Let's go.
It's cool tonight.
Let's go, everybody. Yeah. Little June. Get ready to dance, baby. Good. Play. And if you believe in Jesus and God, make some noise. Yeah. Let's go. Good. Little June, chile. On the ready? Let's go. Hey.
Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Break it, 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 break it. Hey, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. Break it, 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 break it.
Hey, daddy, boom. Today, boy. Daddy, boom. Little June, what? Little June, chile.
If I see your banquet as July 25, this dance will be real hype for little June birthday night. Spice the reckless, he bring up and me. The man see up to woman. Easy I think to figure going all the skin. I don't like airlines and I am scared to fly. But for little June birthday bash, I will be there live. 100W70 TH Street, 100W70 TH Street. And if you know what I think it's 323-952-0211 323-952-0211. On the one more tickets, guys. 323-947-5374 323-947-5374.
Saturday, July 25 at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall at 9 p.m. Call 718-606-5364 now. Forget that, baby.
Yo, this is one of the Reckless, and I invite you to Little John's birthday bash CD release party Saturday, July the 25th inside of LA. So guess what? We'll come out and make a bash because LA no good again. Oh, you in there, Walaga, oh, you in there. But guess what? It's sweet when you did Joe. Yo, SKM record, you large all the time, brother, because the Reckless is up. Believe me.
Saturday, July 25 at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall at 9 p.m. Call 718-606-5364 now. Forget that, baby. Little June, everybody listen to me. This track is for taking time at me. Here we go.
If you wanna do this now, take it up right now.
Hey, everyone I do this now. Take it up right now. Hey, everyone hold up that man. Hold up. Yes, man. Make some noise. Oh my God. And if you proud to be Garifuna, make some noise. This new song is called Take It Up. Listen up.
Hey, if you wanna do this now, take it up right now.
Hey,
If you wanna do this now, take it up right now.
if you wanna do this now, take it up right now. Ready for the verse?
Take
All right,
it up
let's
right
go.
now. You said you like this, you know you want this. You said you need this, you know you take this. If you wanna do this now, take it up right now.
Hey, if you wanna do this now,
Take it up right now.
if you wanna do this now,
Take it up right now.
if you wanna do this now.
Hey, hey,
All right.
this will be on Lil Lucy.
Take it up.
She says she want it right now, and she feeling wanna take me down, if you wanna do this now, 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 take it already. Wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, 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 hey, wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, wallow, I said, wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, wallow. And if you feel it hot, make some one more time. Wallow, wallow, hi, wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, wallow, hey, wallow, wallow, feel it hot, hot, hot. Feel it hot, hot, hot. Okay, I have this new song, right? Which is called Broke It Down. You wanna hear it? Alright, follow my directions. E broke it down, broke it down. I broke it down, I broke it down. And you broke, 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 You want more? This is Lil June Labuga Show. What's up, yeah, baby? I broke it down, I broke it down, I broke it down. And you broke, 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 and you broke. Lil June, everybody. To all my Caribbeans, Trinidad, Jamaica, everybody out there tonight. Lil June, yeah. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. Hey, I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so nice. Feeling so good. I'm feeling so nice. I'm feeling so hype. I'm feeling so nice. Feeling so nice. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. I'm feeling so, yeah. I'm feeling so, yeah. I'm feeling so good. I'm feeling so nice. I'm feeling so, yeah. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. I feel like dancing. I feel like dancing. Tonight I'm gonna put it on from dusk till dawn. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance, gal? Do you wanna dance? Yeah. Lil June Labuga Show. Let's go. wanna dance, girl? Do you 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 wanna dance? It's a rock, shake it like that. 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 It's a rock. Time to waste your night. You wanna move tonight. You wanna move tonight. Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to move out. But let me ask you, do you wanna dance? 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 It's a rock. Shake it like that. 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 It's a rock. Do you wanna dance? 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 It's a rock. Shake it like that. 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 It's a rock. Welcome to Lil June, full-time music world. Yeah, we did it. Garifuna music, let's go. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right, left to. It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right. It's a rock.
Spice Killer, escape. Hey,
you know, you don't know this is Consigo endorsing, you don't know Lil June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. You don't know how you put that, so do it. Check escape.
Spice Killer, Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Nobody beats it. I'm gonna say, yeah, I ding dong ravers clever. Spice Killer, escape.
You know, you don't know this is Consigo endorsing, you don't know Lil June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. You don't know how you put that, so do it. Check escape.
Spice Killer, Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Nobody beats it. I'm gonna say, yeah, I ding dong ravers clever.
Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance, girl? Do you wanna dance? Yeah. Lil June, Labuga, jump. Let's go. Getting ready tonight. You wanna dance tonight. You wanna move tonight. You wanna move tonight. Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to move out. But let me ask you, do you wanna dance? 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 No time to waste tonight. You wanna boom tonight. You wanna move tonight. Get ready to party. It's time to party. Get ready to boom time. But let me ask you, do you wanna dance? 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 It's a rock. Shake it like that. 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 It's a rock. Do you wanna dance? 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 It's a rock. Shake it like that. 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 It's a rock.
Welcome to Lil June, Full-Time Music World. Yeah, we did it. Garifuna music, let's go.
Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right, left to. It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right. It's a rock. It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right, left to. It's a rock. It's a rock. Shake it left to right, left to right, left to. It's a rock.
What's up with it, everybody? Lil June,
Get ready to listen as you feel a rhythm. The beat is hitting. Get ready to dance it. You know you feel it hot. You know you want it out. Get ready to do your thing. Just follow my direction. Go, get that. Go, get that. Go, get that. Go, get that. And you go, 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 and you go.
it's your boy Lil June, aka Labuga, from Labuga, from Brooklyn, New York City. Yeah, let's get this practice.
You need to get some water. Don't worry about the haters. They will always see you later. Don't worry about the haters. Now get some Red Bull to get more energy. Just don't be a fool as you dance to the beats. Get ready to listen as you feel a rhythm. The beat is hitting. Get ready to dance it. You know you feel it hot. You know you want it out. Get ready to do your thing. Just follow my direction. Go, get that. Go, get that. Go, get that.
July 25. This dance will be real hype for little June birthday night. Spice can reckless, he and bring up and me. The man sing up to woman. Easy I think to figure go it all. Biscuit, I don't like airlines and I am scared to fly. But for little June birthday bash, I will be there live. 100W70 TH Street, 100W70 TH Street. And if you know what I think it's got 323-952-0211 323-952-0211. On the one more tickets got 323-947-5374 323-947-5374.
Saturday, July 25 at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall at 9 p.m. For someone at 606 just 364 now.
Get ready to listen as you feel a rhythm. The beat is hitting. Get ready to dance it. You know you feel it hot. You know you want it out. Wind it down, baby, wind it up, wind it. Baby, the way she move, I like 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 the way she groove, 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 I like the way she look, 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 the way she walk, the way she wind it down, baby, wind it up, wind it. Baby, the way she move, I like 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 the way she groove, 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 I like the way she groove. Diggy you day bone, chocolate diggy you day bone, diggy you day bone, chocolate diggy you day bone, diggy you day bone, diggy you day bone, push it back, mama, push it back, push it back, push it back, push it back, mama, push it back, push it back, that's it. Lil Ju, aka Labuga, Joe, Spice Killer, SKM Records. Ha, look at the face, ha, ha, look at the face, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, so we're live, ladies and gentlemen. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach. This is Garifuna Music on Talk with DJ Labuga. We got a special show tonight, and we're doing a little sound check in the meantime as we get our system ready. Little June is in the studio live with the drum machine, with a keyboard, ready to do a one-of-a-kind show for all of you listening in New York, Los Angeles, western of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct.
When we can the Labuga, 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 people they run, people they ball, people they jump at the floor, people they jump in the water. Do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga,
All right, so, okay, great. Now we got sound. Yes, we're live, ladies and gentlemen. This is what happens when you have live radio. Let me introduce to you Little June, a.k.a. La Punta Cho. He's a young Garifuna solo artist who was born in Brooklyn, New York. He represents his parents' country of Honduras. Little June's real name is Jose Junior Alvarez, but he's mostly known as Little June, a.k.a. La Punta Cho. Everybody knows Little June from Sensation Band. He began his career at the age of 8 years old playing in his father's band, which was called Garifuna Millennium Band. The band is still out and about, doing its thing. Little June was so young at the time that he wanted to make his own band and be around young people. At the age of 13, Little June and his cousin John started a Sensation Band in 2006. He learned a lot from the exposure meeting people who were involved in the music business before him, and that's how he began to switch his style. Sensation Band was together for only 2 years, from 2006 to 2008. After Little June left the band decided to break up and members went their own way. Little June decided to become a solo artist. His first hit single was Up in the Club in 2008. After the hit single came out, when 2009 arrived, Little June began to perform at different venues around New York right away, of course. He also created another name for himself because he loves to put up a big show once the punta rhythm hits him. He named himself La Punta Cho. As the year goes by, Little June started to work on his own first solo album called Let's Do This in 2010. The first single from the album was Up in the Club, and the next hit was Jam to the Punta. The crowd always goes crazy when Little June gets on the mic. He performs good music from the heart, and if you ever come to one of his shows, you will be entertained. He was born to do that, and he does it real well as an artist, as a child, and as a family member. He is one hell of a guy. Please let us welcome, ladies and gentlemen, the man, the showman, Little June in the house.
Yo, shout out to everybody that's tuning in right now. It's your boy Lil June, aka La Punta Cho. Shout out to everybody, shout out to all the fans. I love you all. I just want to take the time to say I really appreciate y'all, all the dedication, all the support you all been giving me, man. This is Lil June on DJ Labuga radio station, live and direct, you know. So right now, I'm here to also to promote my debut album, which is called The New Chapter, right? So I'm also going to give like a little live performance here tonight, you know what I mean, for all my fans out there. Just a tease, you know, but this is a preview of July 25 for my B-Day Bash and CD release party, right? So before we even get into the live performance, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go on a commercial break and we're going to play a couple of musics. So once we get back, Lil June live, baby. Hot out here. Let's go.
Yo, this is what I want the reckless. I'm inviting you to Little John birthday bash CD release party Saturday, July the 25th inside of LA. So guess what? We're gonna come out and make a bash because LA no good again. Oh, yeah, in there, oh, yeah, in there. But guess what? It's sweet when you did Joe. Yo, SKM record, you large all the time, brother, cause the reckless says so. Believe me.
Saturday, July 25 at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall at 9
Okay, ladies and
p.m.
gentlemen, so we're back. This is Garifuna Music
now.
with DJ Labuga, and you are invited to stay tuned and to please pass the word. Make sure you tell a friend, a family, you tell anybody out there who is, of course, enjoying the soccer game live, but as soon as the soccer game finished, which is in a few minutes, don't forget to tune in. And those of you who are tuned in already, please stay on because we have a show for you tonight. And this is a preview to what's coming up on July 25th for Little June's big birthday bash. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Little June.
Yes. Once again, ladies and gentlemen. Man, I appreciate everybody, but one thing I just want to say and let everybody know out there, man, always be proud of who you are. That's number one, you know what I mean? Garifuna for life. You know, I know how hard it is for everybody out there to really represent who they are because you have a lot of discouragement people out there and very ignorant and always try to bring people down, you know what I mean? But you're hearing this live and direct from Little June, aka La Punta Cho. Never be ashamed of who you really are. Show people who you really are because they waiting, you know what I mean? They waited for something new. And this is something new that we could give to the world. You know what I mean? I'm not just saying it just for Lil June. I'm also saying it for you and everybody else. Believe in yourself. showcase your culture to different people, because you have other people out there that just want to be just like you. But how you going to find out? You got to showcase it to them. You know what I mean? So you're hearing it loud direct from Lil June once again. So right now we're going to go into the commercial once again. Peace. Yeah.
Spice Killer, Escape.
You know, you don't know this is Consigo endorsing, you don't know Lil June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. Nice. Don't know how you can touch how do it. Check Escape.
Spice Killer,
It's a bad man forward. When me say bad man forward, me say nobody beats it. When me say yo, I ding dong ravers flavor.
when we can't Labuga, but our go in the club when we can't Labuga, but our go in the club when we can't Labuga, but our go in the club when we can't Labuga, but our go people run, people ball, people jump on the floor, people jump in the water. Do it Labuga, 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 do it.
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We present our weekly radio show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We have interviews from Aurelio Martinez to Consigo, Gado Nunez, Gloria Osiris, Lord Agustin. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga brings them all to you on our weekly radio show. Listen live on your home computer, smartphone, iPad, and notebook. Every Wednesday, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook through Ronnie Figueroa. Also on TuneIn, if you don't have the application, download it for free. Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga.
Little bro, Lil June, coming soon this Saturday, Big Bash. This is a big celebration for us. You know, shout out to all the G Kids family. We here just having a good time, you know what I'm saying? Just doing it for Big June, you know? One love.
All right, so we have live callers right now. Hold on, let me hook him up on the mixing board real quick, Lil June, right here. Take the call. Take the mic.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, once again, you know what I mean? I just want everybody to know that, you know, Lil June just finished recording his debut album, which is called The New Chapter. The New Chapter is releasing this Saturday, July 25th. Before we keep going with this, you know, Lil June's going to perform some live exclusive songs off the debut album, the new album, right? So right now I'm going to give you back DJ Labuga real quick.
Yes, caller, let us know what's up in New York. What's going on?
Everything in New York City right now. You don't know. I just call you to big up my brethren, Lil June, and the man album release, see?
Yes, sir. Thanks for your support, man. Just try to lower your volume because we're getting a little bit of feedback there. Lower the volume on your computer.
All right. Let me lower my volume.
Yes, you're good. So, yeah, man, tell us what's going on out there.
Yep. You can hear me now or what?
Yes, man.
Hello?
Yeah, family, I can hear you now. Clear.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now, family. Yeah.
Alright, are they right up on New York City? man like Showtime. Just to call in to big up man like Little June for the album release. The man don't know, say we are going to link him up at Chicago next weekend, see?
Yeah, family, you don't know straight up. Yeah, man, this is our Lil June showing some love and respect to New York City, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Long Island, the whole family. Respect, family.
You don't know, and don't forget for Rockaway, because we're coming in full effect to support man like you, and we want to big up SKM Records, see?
Respect, family. Yeah, man, you're the Chicago that turn up, you say.
Yeah, so just go on and mash up the show Saturday, see?
Respect, family. Appreciate the call, too, man. One love. Have a blessed night. Have a blessed day. Everything blessed to you, family. Next week, Chicago.
You don't know. You don't know, brethren, so we are link up.
Right, real kill.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the beauty of the radio. We're live and direct from the studios in Long Beach. You can call in. The number to call is 323-898-6841. If you want to talk to Little June right now in the studio in Long Beach, California, we're live through www.radiocentroamerica.com and in New York, www.lmbroots.com radio. So please, if you want to listen to some good music coming up right now, please stay tuned to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live with the best of Little June as we get ready for his brand new album release this Saturday, July 25th. Little June birthday party and CD release starring Reckless, Cocoman, Asiatic, Nalo, Gui Pasi, Tucuman at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall, 1000 West 70th Street in Los Angeles. So it's on the corner of Vermont and Florence. That's how it is. For tickets, call 323-952-0211. Again, 323-952-0211 or 947-5374. Once again, 323-947-5374 to get your tickets for Little June birthday party plus CD release. So we're ready for some good music right here, live and direct, straight from the man, Little June.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, you remember that classic? Yo, big up Sensation Band, big up my whole crew, man, SKM Records. You know what I mean? But right now we're going to do something exclusive. This song right here is called Ayo Ayo. This one is called Ayo Ayo. It's an exclusive song, you know what I mean, from me and also OG, my father, you know, call you thing. Hey, yo, Lunico, Pequeño, I know you hearing this, family. Check this out, man. Ready? Watch this now. Yeah. Hey, yo, Peque. Yeah. Brooklyn. Watch this now.
Ayo ayo, nugu ya nebuga, webuga ya gie, itamefuna. Ayo ayo, wagi ya webuga, webuga ya gie, itamefuna.
Brooklyn, New York, yes I.
Oh mama, honey, so yeah.
Little June, out your left. Watch this.
Vaya tua familia, deme no tiara, yara bellissima, vaya tua familia. Oh ayo, no voy a nebuga, aguie, dame funa. Ayo ayo, wagia webuga, dame funa. Maya huwa panito, maya huwa pa. Deme no dibuare, na mulunwara. Maya huwa banana, maya huwa pa. Deme no dibuare, niturawo.
Hold it right there. Yeah, that one is called Ayo Ayo, ladies and gentlemen. It's one of the singles from the brand new album, the new chapter, July 25th. Don't forget, Little June. Este se llama Ayo Ayo, mi gentes. Nueva canción de Little June, a.k.a. La Punta Show. Para nuevo disco que se llama The New Chapter, 25 de julio, mi gentes. Yes, sir. Ayo, ayo.
Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, we're live from the studios in Long Beach. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're sending a big shout out to all of our listeners out there in Brooklyn, in the Bronx, and the Boogie Down Drum Bronx, of course. A lot of listeners tonight, of course, right here in Los Angeles, Long Beach. Chicago is always tuned in. Big up to Houston, Texas, Dallas, all over the place, especially to our listeners out there in Belize. We got people listening live straight from Belize City, of course. So, ladies and gentlemen, we got more of Little June as we enjoy the night, this beautiful evening, as we saw the first game earlier today between the United States and Jamaica, and we see Jamaica beat the Americans 2-1. And then the next game is still playing, I think. We don't know the score, but if you do, and if you want to call in, please dial 323-898-6841. This is the number in the studio to call in. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, and we have Little June. And don't forget his brand new CD release party is coming up this July 25th right here in Los Angeles. Starring Reckless, Cocoman, Asiatic, Nalo, Gui Pasi, and Tucuman, of course, at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall, 1000 West 70th Street, Los Angeles, California, 90044. For tickets, call 323-952-0211 or 323-947-5374. Yes, and it's going to be hosted by Fred Dixon, the man from behind the microphone, the MC of Los Angeles, Mr. Fred Dixon, in the house this July 25th, Saturday. So don't forget Little June birthday party and CD release. Little June, what we got?
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I know you enjoyed the Ayo, you know what I mean? This is the next Paranda song, you know what I mean, right here. Yo, DJ Cool, I know you're listening right now, right? So this is the next one. This one is called So So Yale. So So Yale, So So Yale. Exclusive than this. Y'all ready for that? Y'all ready for that? Yeah! Y'all ready? Say yeah! All right. I like that response, right? Check this. Let's go. So So Yale, So So Yale, So So Yale, no matter who know. So So Yale, Akaya Karina go. Lisa Mekatoya Mami, ha. Abatarigi, Saku the Paya, the Paya, Ayi Mami, what's this? So So Yale, no matter who So So Yale, So So Yale. Hey, hotel, Chicago, hey, ay, mami, ay, Nito, ay, yes, Little June, este se llama So So Ya, let me doing yo, Little June, debut album, the new chapter, you have to cop it, So So Ya gonna be there, well, So So Ya gonna be on the album, yeah, so right now we're gonna continue with the more exclusive, alright, but DJ Labuga, take it away.
Yes, man, nice arrangement, man. I don't know what to say, man. You are a very talented musician. It is amazing to see the type of music that comes out of your mind, of your creation, man. It's amazing. It's something to celebrate, really. I have a lot of respect for Little June and for kids that are coming up with such talent. Overall, I think that it's not easy to be as diverse and talented as you are. Being multilingual, you speak Spanish, you speak Garifuna, you speak English, so that you could go any way you want, you know what I mean? You could hang among Belizean Garifuna, among Honduran Garifuna, Guatemalan Garifuna, Nicaraguan Garifuna, or anyone out there from the homeland, from Yurumen, you know what I mean? So thank you, man, for being here on the show. We feel very honored to have you here and to display the talent that you have and to pass it along through the airwaves, through radiocentroamerica.com in Los Angeles and through lmbroots.com in New York. So thank you for those of you listening live in the East Coast, in the West Coast, in the Midwest, everywhere you are. Please stay tuned, because we got more of the wonderful music of this talented musician known as Little June.
Yeah, Little June, aka La Punta Cho, once again. You know what I mean? I just want to take the time to say I love you all once again. I love my fans. I want to give a big shout out to everybody that's going to fly into Los Angeles to attend my B-Day bash and CD release party. You know what I mean? That means a lot, you know what I mean? Because in real life, you know, things like that doesn't really happen in real life, and for that situation to happen, man, it just means a lot, man. It's just a lot of honor, a lot of love, support, dedication, appreciations, man. I love you all to death. You know what I mean? This Saturday is gonna be turn up. It's gonna be Punta Paranda. It's gonna be cumbia. We're gonna have some soca, man. We're gonna have everything, you know what I mean, just to make everybody feel comfortable. Once again, Lil June, aka La Punta Cho, from the heart and soul. I love you all. And for those of you that want to know what Lil June is up to right now as well, too, right now Lil June is attending college out here in Los Angeles, you know, Hollywood, you know what I mean, the Los Angeles Film School, majoring in recording engineering and film production. You know, God is good, right? Can I get an applause for that? Yeah, God is good. You know what I mean? And I'm also getting prepared to do the album tour, but first I have to graduate college in order for me to be able to tour the way how I want to tour, you know what I mean? Got New York, got Boston, got Virginia, got New Orleans, got Texas, San Francisco, Las Vegas, we got Miami, we got Florida, man, just the whole world, even the countries, Guatemala, Honduras, Belize, Mexico, Nicaragua, man, Puerto Rico, Santo Domingo, todo, you know what I mean? We got a lot coming more, you know what I mean? Even places that Lil June never hit up before. We got London, we got China, we got Japan. Man, everything is just falling in right now, you know. But first, I gotta do a tour with my culture first, with my Garifuna people. Then I'm gonna be able to do the rest of the touring with everybody else. But first, always remember, as an artist, anybody that has success always gotta remember where they come from before they become who they are, you know what I mean? So me, Garifuna 100%, Brooklyn, New York, Los Angeles, that's my thing before I represent. And before I represent the whole culture and really enter a new place, you know what I mean? Just places like London and Japan or whatever. But first, my Garifuna people, man. That's number one. I love you all, man. Yo, let's take it back to some commercials real quick. Yeah. Yes.
Yo, this is what I want to reckless. I'm inviting you to Lil Jon birthday bash CD release party Saturday, July the 25th inside of LA. So guess what? We're gonna come out and make a bash because LA no good again. Oh, you in there, guy. Oh, you in there. But guess what? It's sweet when you did Joe. Yo, SKM record, you large all the time, brother, cause the reckless is up. Believe me.
Saturday, July 25 at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall at 9 p.m. Call 718-606-5364 now. Okay, that baby.
Spice Killer, SKM.
You know, you don't know this is consigo endorsing, you don't know Lil June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. You don't know how you put that so do it. Check SK.
Spice Killer,
Mr. Batman forward. Oh, Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Nobody beats it. I'm going to say, yeah, I ding dong ravers clever.
When we can the Labuga, our go in the club. When we can the Labuga, our go in the club. When we can the Labuga, our go in the club. When we can the Labuga, our go people around, people ball, people jump on the floor, people jump in the water. Do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, do it, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, do it, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, do it, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, Labuga, do it, do it, do it, Labuga, Sagata digi de de, brr sa digi de de, Sagata digi de de, brr sa digi de de, Sagata digi de de, brr
Welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live from the studios in Long Beach through RadioCentroamerica.com and LMBRoots.com radio in New York. Every Wednesday from 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We bring to you the best of recording artists, musicians, producers, and musical directors behind Garifuna Music. So welcome to Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga and enjoy my show tonight.
She's the media manager. The media manager is doing her thing, you know what I mean? So let's get back to Little June, but we're gonna check in with G Kid right here in the house.
How you guys doing? This is G Kid, straight out of Los Angeles, representing all the Garifuna people out there. You know, Garifuna is the power, so we over here celebrating Little June release party this Saturday. I hope y'all come out here. Everybody from New York, from Los Angeles to Texas. Just come out here. Let's celebrate this big moment. Yeah, it's a big party. So let's have a good time. This is GK, by the way. GK Promotion. I'm representing GK Promotion. Garifuna Kids. How you doing? For life.
All right, you hear people? Yes, it's a party going on right here in Long Beach. Little June is in the house.
So right now, before we go into the punta, though, you know, let's take it international real quick, you know what I mean? Because I want to mix it up real quick, right? This is gonna be the single off the album, right? This one is called "You Ready," you know what I mean? You ready? Hell yeah. You ready? Hell yeah. You ready? So when I say you ready, right, I want everybody to say hell yeah in the studio, right? 1, 2, 3. You ready? You ready? You ready? Yeah, you see that? Like, that's a live and exclusive, right? So right now we're going to take it to the Africans real quick, African sound, right? Check this out. Yeah. Ready? Yeah, man. Let's do this real quick. Woo! Yeah! Very international. This also on the album, all right? So listen. Watch this now. Hey, girl, let me teach you a lesson. My high lesson. Hope you have an understanding when it's time to do my high lesson. Left, right, back, front. That's the way, I like it when she drop it and stop. Hey girl, I have a question for you. Oh yes, I have a mission for you. You ready? You ready? Yeah. You ready? You ready? You like it? You want it? You need it? You take it? Yo, that's all. Yeah. Ese se llama "Está listo", pero en inglés. You ready? ¿Me entendés? Garifuna, arráncelo. All right, Garina, go. Yes, I. Yo, that is called "You Ready," the new chapter album. You gotta copy it July 25th, Los Angeles. Do not forget. That song is called "You Ready," right? All right.
Yes, we continue. We shall continue with the party. Party going on Wednesday night. Yes, it's the beginning of the weekend, ladies and gentlemen. This is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, live every Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 10 to midnight Eastern Standard Time.
All right. You all having a good time? Say yeah, yeah. It's live, it's wicked. All right. So, bueno, now we're going to take it to the Garinagu style and all of that stuff, los indios, catrachos, todo el mundo aquí que está escuchando radio de DJ Labuga, mi gente, ya tú sabes. Bueno, mi gente, este se llama Suavecito. No suavecito de cumbia, mi gente, de punta, ¿me entendés? This song is called Suavecito, right? But before we get into there, right, DJ Labuga has to say something once again. All right?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget this Saturday the 25th is the birthday party and of course the CD release for Little June with a big lineup. So tune in to Garifuna Music and talk to DJ Labuga as we come in every Wednesday live and direct. So if you want to call in, make sure you dial 323-898-6841 so you could talk to Little June and request your favorite song. Don't forget 323-898-6841 is the number to call in the studio to talk to Little June tonight. So let's go, Little June.
All right, you guys ready to hear the next exclusive? Because this one is called Suavecito. For everybody, you know what I mean? Suavecitos, you know, that means smooth, nice and soft, you know what I mean? For those of you that don't know what Suavecito means, right? So check this out. This is going to be the next song off the debut album, the new chapter from Lil June. You ready? Watch this. Oh my God. Let's go. Yes, ay, qué rico. Suavecito para toda mi gente por allí, mami. Watch this now. Listen up. Voy a cantar suavecito, suavecito esta canción, suavecito, suavecito para mi mujer, suavecito, suavecito, si no me muero, suavecito, suavecito, suave, suave, ella lo quiere suave, suave, suavecito, suave, suave, ella lo quiere suave, suave, suavecito. ¡Ay! Like it real soft, nice and smooth. All the ladies like it nice and smooth and it is. Ay, qué rico. Give me some caracol, baby. Uy. Hey, mama, tukutabo. Hey, tukutabo. All right, watch this now. Nice and smooth. Esta es la nueva baile que se llama Suavecito. This is the brand new dance called Suavecito. Suavecito para abajo, para abajo, para abajo. Wee! All right. You see, July 25th is very important, Los Angeles. You know why? Because it's going to be hot out there, right? It's going to be hot. Para toda mi gente, 25 de julio en Los Angeles, Little June tocando punta. ¿Le gusta el ritmo punta, right? Suavecito para abajo. Para abajo. Ah, you like that, right? ¿Le gusta esto? Otra vez. Suavecito para abajo. Para abajo. No. Bueno, si quieres más, 25 de julio en mi Palacio Banquet Hall, ¿me entendés, mi gente? If you want more, your Los Angeles, mi Palacio Banquet Hall. You know what I mean? It's very important. Lil June, B-Day Bosh, CD release party is going down, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have everything. Aha, DJ Labuga.
Yes, man. Yes, it's going to be the party of the century, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, this 25th of July, live and direct right here from Mi Palazzo Hall, which is located right on the boulevard on Vermont Avenue, corner of Florence. And that's where we'll be this Saturday, July 25th. Little June is celebrating his birthday. At the same time, the man will be celebrating his CD release party with a big lineup. Let me just give you some of the names of the artists that will be performing that night. Reckless is straight from Belize. Kokoman is straight from New York. Idiotic is straight from Los Angeles. Nalo is coming from New York as well. Right? So, Gui Pasi from Los Angeles and straight from Casabe, Agrupación, the ex-Casabe man, Tucumán will be in the house as well. So, Mi Palacio Hall, Backward Hall is located at 1000 West 70th Street, Los Angeles, California, 90044. And for tickets, you better call 323-952-0211. Again, 323-952-0211 or 323-947-5374. So, we got a big party coming up this Saturday. Don't forget, if you got nothing to do this weekend, make sure you get your tickets or just come to the door, pay your admission and get in and celebrate with us Little June's birthday party and CD release. G-Kid, tell me what's going on, my brother. Don't be too quiet there. He's the man behind the social media. He's the one sending all the messages through Twitter and Facebook. What else is going on out there?
Well, we're going to concentrate on Little June Big Bash this Saturday. That's what we're concentrating on right now. I'm having a big birthday bash September 4th. So all my Garifuna out there, just come out there. We're going to have a good time. We're going to have Garifuna music. We're going to have African music. We're going to have salsa, merengue, de todo. ¿Me entendés? So we over here chilling, me and Little June. We having fun, having a good time. Me and Labuga, aquí estamos, aquí lo que lamos, ¿me entendés? So we here. Let's go.
We have a call.
Hello.
Yes. I just want to hear Little June do Party Tonight from Sensation Band. Yo, my brother, you already know what it is, man. DJ Primetime, shout out to you. Keep doing your thing. Yeah. DJ Labuga, shout out to G-Kids Promotion.
Yeah.
You already know, man. You're doing your thing. That album going to be crazy. Oh, shout out to everybody in Cali, you know. Your party gonna be a movie this weekend. I can't make it, but you know when you come to New York, it's straight turn up time.
Yeah, New York for life, family. Appreciate the call, DJ Primetime. Ladies and gentlemen, if
right.
know DJ Primetime is from Brooklyn, New York City. A similar DJ, just like GAHFU sound. Straight Garifuna, you know what I mean? He's an international.
You already know. Original Sensation Band member. You already know what it is.
Yeah, bro. Let's do that. I know you're hearing this right now, bro. Memories, you know what I mean? Brooklyn, you know what I mean? But shout out to
I got
LA.
You already know, bro. Keep doing your thing, all right?
Got you, bro. Appreciate the call.
Much love and respect. You already.
All right, fam. One.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a party. It's a party going on right here in the studio in Long Beach, California. Don't forget, call 333-898-6841. And we'll put you live on the air with Little June as we present to you music from the brand new album. Little June, what do we have in store for you, for the audience, brother?
Hey, yo, Primetime, I know you heard that. Man, we got a lot going on right now, you know. Man, once again, anybody that want to beat something in life, you must get your education first. That's number one. That's the thing that I'm doing right now before, you know, everything else just fall in place. You know what I mean? Lil June is in college, will be graduating by the end of this year, right? Yeah! You know, and ay, qué rico de te. Ooh, yeah, gotta get that on the record, you know? Yeah, you know. I'll probably have a big graduation celebration, you know, eating some hututu, you know. Get some hututu, give me some tortilla con some baleadas, whatever, fried jack and beans, you know what I mean? I'm going to get everything, man. All that Garifuna food, bring it to me. Bring it to me. Who bet you know, all right? Yeah, so before we tune into the last exclusive song, this is the song that made Lil June, a.k.a. La Punta Cho, to this day. And I appreciate all the fans and everybody out there still playing this song like it's very brand new. You know what I mean? This song came out in the year of 2012, and, you know what I mean, it's still playing like it's brand new. You know what I mean? It was able to hold up this whole time I was working on my debut album, you know, the new chapter. This one is called Do You Wanna Dance? All right. For those of you that's listening right now, please calm your body down. You know what I mean? Especially New York City. It's about to be 12 o'clock, right? Yeah, it's about to be 12 o'clock over there. Bueno, camate. You know, relax. Los Angeles, still have a good time. You know what I mean? It's still early. You know, it's 3 hours difference from New York City. Do you want to dance? No, you don't. All right, ladies out there, make sure you get your punta outfit. You know, we're going to give you probably like 2 minutes for you to get ready, get your punta outfit real quick before 12 o'clock. You know, we're going to turn up on Wednesday, right? Big shout out to SKM Records once again, Twice Killer. Big shout out to G King. I said G King? G King. Yeah, you know, Unity Soul once again. As well, everybody out there, I love you all. You know, do you wanna dance? Matter of fact, oh, yeah, you like it that, right? I know I keep teasing you, but if you want more, please, Los Angeles, if you live in Los Angeles, July 25th, mi Palacio Banquet, hall me hintes. Oh my God. Aye. Matter of fact, let me sing some Garifuna song real quick. Watch this now. Hold this. I'm going to do this a cappella real quick. For those of you that love Garifuna music, right, you must know this song right here, right? Check this out. Here we go. It go like this. Watch this now. Especially New York City, right? Everybody out there. Here we go. Cabeza garabalibe, hola buquete salida. Cabeza garabalibe, hola buquete salida. Anira numalale, alagda hey aliya, ali sara, boyole se sale. Aye! Aha, yeah, Little Jewel on the real Garifuna music, man. Yo, if you want to hear more, Saturday, Sábado mi gentes, música de punta, ¿entendés? Anigira no malale. Willow, don't sing along with me. If you want to sing along with me, come Saturday. You know, we got New York City, we got Chicago. Man, tenemos toda aquí, ¿entendés? DJ Labuga, action. Hey, yo, G Kid in the building, you know what I mean? Yeah, DJ Labuga.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is fun right here. This is fun. We're live in the studio from the studios in Long Beach, along with Little June, G Kid, Mama Garifuna, and many, many more people. We are celebrating right in the middle of the week, live in the studio with Little June, as we are promoting the CD release party coming up this weekend, this Saturday, July 25th. May Palazzo Hall, Banquet Hall, right on 70th and Vermont. So if you're interested in tickets, you know where to go, where to call, but we'll give you the lineup right now at this moment so that if you want to come out and see a quality show and have a good time, of course, we're going to have Nalo in the house. It's going to be Tucuman, Gui Pasi, Kokoman from New York, Asiatic, Reckless, and Little June will be in the house celebrating his birthday right along with each and every one of you, and of course presenting his brand new CD, the brand new CD that is already out there, of course in the social media. If you want to check it out, it's on Little June's Facebook page, Little June, Lil June, June. So ladies and gentlemen, we're live and direct. This is DJ Labuga from the studios in Long Beach as we present to you live Little June right here tonight. G Kid, what's going on tonight, my brother? Let's keep it alive.
All right, we just partying tonight, man. It's a big celebration, you know. Little June album is coming this Saturday. His birthday bash is going to be nuts. So all mi gente que van a llegar por allí, yo, y'all stay sexy. All the ladies, we want all the sexy ladies to come out tonight. So you already know G Kids in the building. If you don't know, shout outs to Erica, Mac, man. We here, we in the bit of cool. If you don't understand me, you heard? So we having a good time. It's June Day. You feel me? We gonna call this June Day. Game more. You got another one? Yeah, you got too much records, bro.
Yeah, man, we're gonna do another exclusive for all my Garifuna people out there, man. You know, I love you all, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Hey, bomba. Hey, how do chuchu? Anja, how do chuchu? Pochale, pochale. Watch this. Nehi numutigu wachirala gari na guwagiyae. Aye, gari na guwagiyae. Oh my God, gari na go! Oh my God, man, we go. Wait. Yo, we taking it back to the roots, man. I love you all. Watch this, watch this. We got another one. We got to do. We got another one. Hey, bomba. How do you chew? How do you chew? Pochale, pochale. I te go. Oh my God! I tell you, this Saturday is very important. It's very important. Bueno. 25 de julio es sábado, mi gente, in Los Angeles. Yo, we in Los Angeles this Saturday once again. Okay? How do you chew? Pochale. Aguya mini aye. Ay. Sugu ato. I have to pull up. Hey, yo, showtime, man. Yo, Brooklyn, New York. Yo, Los Angeles. Ihara, hara, Han. Ay, ay, ay. Yo, DJ Labuga, man, take this because I get too hyped.
Yeah, we all do. You got us dancing right here in the studio, man. You just got us going crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, this doesn't happen every day or every Wednesday. This is only happening tonight as we are live in the studio from Long Beach, California with Little June and his crew, J-Kid in the house, Mama Garifuna in the house, and of course, your host, DJ Labuga, every Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and from 10 p.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. And of course, we are live throughout the world. lnb.roots.com radio in New York, and of course www Radio Centro America. We broadcast live to the world, so big up to you people listening in Yurumen, in the islands of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, to all of Vincentian people checking in, all of the people from Honduras, Nicaragua, Kemotea, Wabinaha, Wafeduha, Gunyoto, along Little June.
Okay, you guys ready? All right, you know, we took more than 2 minutes for the ladies out there to get their punta outfit, right? So I think y'all should be ready, right? We should be ready. Say yeah! Say yeah! All right, you ready for Do You Wanna Dance? All right, cool. Let's do this. Oh, my God.
Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Are we ready? Yes.
Let's get ready to rumble! Oh my God! 1, get ready. 2, no. Hold on. Relax. Okay. All right, let's take a deep breath. Okay. Let's get ready to rumble! Let's go! Here we go. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna?
In red, stop acting shy. Ube nulai till it's all over. Get ready to party, everybody party. Get ready to water. But let me ask you, do you wanna dance? 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 Punta rock, shake it like that. Punta rock, mama, shake it. Shake it, girl, shake it. Oh, yes. I can see you, but I'm not there. Here we go. Hey, si tú quieres bailar, si tú quieres bailar, si tú quieres bailar. Do you wanna, do you wanna, do you wanna dance? Punta rock, shake it. Gózalo, mami, gózalo, porque mañana vamos a trabajar. Everybody going to work tomorrow, you know, but Saturday, no. So now we're going to do it in Garifuna. You ready? Here we go. Hey, mama, oh yeah, you feeling the pep cushion? Weed! All right. You see, I can't give you too much because, you know, you're not in a live concert. You at home. Todos los días estamos en la casa, no estamos en concierto, ¿me entendés? ¿Estás escuchando? You listening? Yeah. So everybody got to get ready to go to sleep. But before you go to sleep, right, let's just finish the radio station thing, right? DJ Labuga.
Man, I don't know what to tell the audience, man, but the audience are jamming tonight in the middle of the bed, jumping out of the couch and just having a good time, just like we are. I mean, I'm just taken aback, man, to see such a talent, man. I really respect what you are as a person, the motivation that you give our youth in America, our Garifuna youngsters, you know, the fact that you emphasize going to school, getting an education. I think that's very important. It's something that we need to get in the head of our kids, because because without an education today in America, in the world, it's hard to really come through and be a successful person. So do what you can. I mean, you don't have to become a lawyer or a teacher or whatever. You could do anything you want, right? There's all kinds of things that you could do. But also, we want to keep you on the party mode by saying that this Saturday, we are all expecting you at Mi Palazzo Hall right here in Los Angeles as we celebrate, of course, the CD release and the birthday party for Little June. And Little June is celebrating in a big old grand style. He has musicians all the way from New York like Nalo and Cocoman. Of course, Asiatic is going to be there along with Tucumán, of course, formerly from Casabe Agrupación. Also, Gui Pasi will be there and many, many more. So, ladies and gentlemen, get your tickets. If you're not in Los Angeles, well, get a plane ticket and fly over because it's going to be off the chain. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct from the studios. I'm going to check in with G-Kid to see what's going on in the social media, man. The man is busy with his fingers on the phone and making sure that everybody is in tune with what's going on here tonight.
It's a proud moment for us, man, just being here as being Garifuna from Los Angeles. And I'm just proud of my man Little June doing his thing, man. And, you know, I'm just supporting everything that he does, man. He's very talented. So he's the next generation of Garifuna music. So we got to support that, man, because, you know, they say we dying, but we ain't going to die. I promise you that. Yeah, no Ave Morir. Si morimos, then we all going to die. But at the end of the day, we having a good time, man. Yo, Little June Day. This June Day. You feel me? So all me Garifuna, all my people from New York. What up, Coke? I know. Yo, Coke. Okay. Yo, we having a good time, man. Thank you for having us, DJ Labuga. You already know, man. Love is love, man. Here in your palace with your beautiful wife, man. We just having a good time, man. Thank you for that, man.
You know what? I like what you said. The message is we don't want Garifuna to die, and of course we don't want to hear, hey, Hagei, Little June. Oh, he loved Little June. We don't want to say no. Little June is not dead. The man never died. The man is alive and well right here, and making sure that the music will live on forever. Not only the music, but the culture. And this is one of the ways to keep the culture alive, to be able to teach one another, teach the masses through music, because that's how the culture is passed on. So, Little June, what's up?
Yeah, man, once again, man, I want to give a big shout out to everybody, man. This day, yo, matter of fact, this whole week is a really special week, you know what I mean? I'm still going to school and everything, you know what I mean? But I appreciate the fact that I'm getting all this love and support. Got people flying. Got certain artists that just flew in today, you know what I mean? Like, you know, Reckless, you know what I mean? He's in Los Angeles now, you know what I mean? Nalo should be here like, you know, Friday and everything, but everybody is coming in. I got people coming from New York City, got people from Boston, New Orleans, Texas. Man, there's just so many. Got people from San Francisco, Las Vegas. I'm getting so confused right now. I don't even know what to say, you know, but I appreciate everybody, you know, for showing the love and support. You don't know how much this means to me, you know what I mean? It's a big day, you know, because I spent 4 years on working on my debut album, you know, which is called The New Chapter. And The New Chapter is not just called The New Chapter for no reason. The New Chapter is basically describing my life, describing my culture, describing everything, you know, of how the outcome is going to be different in the future. You know what? Just starting now, you know, starting July 25th to the day I'm gone, you know what I mean? Only God knows when I'm going to be gone. But you know what? I'm going to continue doing what I love to do until I'm gone, you know? But it's going to be a new chapter for everybody. For those that don't believe in Garifuna music, you will believe it now. You hear it in live and direct from Lil June, DJ Labuga, yo, G-Kid. Man, we in the building, right? We even got Mama God. Yo, keep doing that. That's gonna be the slogan for the radio. The slogan. Yeah. You know, but I appreciate everybody that's listening and that's really having a good time. You know, we're gonna go in. Hey, oh my, all right. Hey, oh my, I do chuchu, I do chuchu. Bochale, bochale. All right, watch this now. You ready? You ready? You ready? Eh, ahanaya lu halo dagarugunanige ida nubane. Oh my God! Oh my God! Otra vez! We're gonna go in again? Oh my God! You see, I know you was getting ready to take off your outfit and get ready to go to sleep, but this is Little Joe, aka La Punta Cho. La Punta Cho is the day. Just gotta trick your mind. But listen, book your ticket now, cause you're gonna get ready to dance some punta, some serious punta. Oh my God! I do chuchu. Potale. Okay. Edugo erio, yaramuna da. Edugo erio, yaramuna da. Oh my God! Again? Ay. Watch this now. Oh, hana ya lu halo tagarugunanige kuravala nubani. Oh, kuravala nubani do lume furizurugo. Oh my God! Yo, big up Garifuna Express. Oh my God, Delhi. Oh my God. Delhi. This one is for you. Hey, bomba. Hey, bomba. How do you do? Labuga. What's bomba. Watch this now. Hey. All right, he give it. Aha. Afiura barbana, viva la lagua sambule, e viva la lagua barrio. Oh my God. Bueno, harate canto ya la cante se mete puta le out le tuju aka La Punta Cho Garifuna nuguya te to. Oh my God. Sábado, Samudi mi gentes, 25 de julio otra vez. Should we go with air or should we leave it alone? Okay. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna say everybody. Yeah. Ya se acabó, man. Ya se terminó la Punta Cho. All right.
Yes, no, definitely. I want to send a big shout out to David Ruiz, who is listening in Tegucigalpa, Honduras, who just checked in. So Tegucigalpa is tune in. Saludos muy cordiales para Disco Móvil Super D allá en Tegucigalpa, Honduras, donde nos escucha David Ruiz y toda la amara allá en Honduras. Gracias por disfrutar de la música Garifuna. A toda mi gente linda de Honduras. Saludos muy cordiales desde Long Beach, California, en vivo y a todo color con Little June G Kid, Mama Garifuna, and the whole crew of Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are live in the studio, ladies and gentlemen, every Wednesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and from 10 to midnight Eastern Standard Time on www.lmbroots.com from New York, from Brooklyn, from the Boogie Down Bronx, and www.Radio Centro America from downtown Los Angeles. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. We got more coming up for you. This is your weekly radio show. Don't forget, this Saturday is a special invitation for those of you who are interested in celebrating and don't have a place to go. Come and support and hear and dance and have a good time with Little June, along with Cocoman, Gui Pasi, Tucuman, Nalo, Reckless straight from Belize, and of course, Gui Pasi. So come and enjoy. Excelente, feliz noche para nuestro amigo Devin Ruiz, que se encuentra en sintonía en Tegucigalpa, Honduras, para la Disco Móvil Super D en vivo y a todo color allá en Honduras, claro que sí.
Man, I'm just receiving a lot of inbox and message right now on my page. There's somebody that just requests, do you want to dance again? But I'm not going to do the whole thing, because time is ticking, right? This is for the fans and everybody out there. Do you want to dance? If you don't have your punta outfit, leave it alone. Because you only got to dance for like 30 seconds. And I don't want to get no phone call from anybody saying, oh my God, June, why you did that? You need more. No. All right, watch this. Let's do it again. Yo, do you want to dance? Aye. Here we go. Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna? Aye. This is for the fam, number one fam for everybody out there in the whole wide world. Para TV anyways. Watch this now. Lady in red, stop acting shy. Ube, ube, no lie. Till it's all over. Get ready to party. Everybody party. Get ready to booza. But let me ask you, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance? Si tú quieres bailar, si tú quieres bailar, si tú quieres bailar, si tú quieres bailar, punto rock. Gózalo así. Ay, shake it, girl, shake it. Oh my God, win. Okay, you know, for the fans, everybody out there, you know, do you wanna dance? You know, I love y'all. I love all my fans. I love everybody out there. Boom, da, Labuga.
Yes, well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a full house tonight. Radio Centroamérica went off the air for a few seconds because of the number of people that are tuning in. It's incredible. Thanks for all the love. Gracias por todo el amor y el aporte que nos dan para poder estar en el aire todos los miércoles. So we really love our audience, man. We got a packed house on radiocentroamerica.com. And of course, our biggest audience, listening audience, is in the Bronx, New York. We have so much people out there too. So big up to all of you people listening live and direct. So if you want to call in, please dial 323-898-6841. The line is open and available for those of you who want to check in. We'll put you live on the air, 323-898-6841. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, your weekly radio show from 7 to 9 p.m. Tonight, we are celebrating as we listen to the wonderful live music of Little June. Little June will be celebrating his birthday party this Saturday, July 25th at Mi Palazzo Hall, Banquet Hall on 70th and Vermont. So Little June family, of course, is from Aguan, from Honduras, from Triunfo de la Cruz. My goodness, beautiful place. That's the second Garifuna settlement after they came from Roatan, right? So they came to the mainland and they settled in Triunfo de la Cruz, Honduras, of course. Beautiful, beautiful place. Allá en Trujillo también, ¿no? Así de que gracias por escucharnos. Estamos en vivo. We're live and direct. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Little June.
Yes. Big up everybody once again. But don't forget, the new chapter album will be born on July 25th. It's going to be released. It's going to be dropped for everybody that been waiting for many, well, I can't even say many years. I'll just say 4 years. You know what I mean? Lil June is 21 years old, just to clarify that as well. I will be 22, 2, or 23, take away 1. Yeah, so, you know, Lil June will be 22 years old this Saturday, July 25th, and going to celebrate his B-Day Bash / CD release party. Oh my God, July 25th, yeah, July 25th, yeah, July 25th. July 25th, don't forget, we're going to have Nalo, we're going to have Reckless, we're going to have Tucuman, we're going to have Kokoman, we're going to have Gooey, we're going to have Asiatic. You guys know Asiatic. You know what? Yeah, let me take the time to just display the songs from each artist, right? We're going to have like Asiatic. It goes like this. You know. All right. Ese guwala tina huyama tida tagaburi muna. Ese guwala tina huya tida tagaburi muna ma. Ese guwala tina huya sayana furi. Ese guwala tina huyama. Right? Yeah, if you know that song, Saturday, and then we're gonna have Gui. Yeah, that's Gooey. Don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh. Then we're gonna have Tuku. No. We can't do that. Yeah. You know? And then I'm toko, sa. You know? Sa. That's Tucuman. And then we're gonna have Kokoman. Nosotros somos Garifuna de Honduras. All right? Yeah. And then Nalo. Sticky there, popo, sticky there, popo, what? Yeah, Nalo. And we're gonna have DJ Cool. Oh, Reckless, yes. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Ha, yeah, shala. Yo, all them artists gonna be at Mi Palacio Banquet Hall, July 25th. You understand? 70th Street between Vermont and Florence. Oh, that's right? Yeah. Okay. I said, yeah, make sure you be there early as well, because if you be there late, you're going to miss a lot of performance. Everything is going to be on time. This time, come out early. It's going to be a long line. If you show up late, oh, man, that's up to you. But if you have your tickets, you will go in the location straight. If you don't have your tickets, you will be in a long line waiting, probably be on your phone like, oh, my God, when I'm going to get a line, right? Yeah. So if you don't want to be on a long line, get your tickets now. 718-606-5364. Call it now. Get your tickets. July 25th, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to have Do You Wanna Dance? Right? Then you're going to have Sticky There, right? Then we're going to have boom, 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 right? Right at 69. All right, cool. So we're gonna have a lot of exclusivum in this. Oh my God. Okay, we receiving a phone call right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, I'm having a good time in the radio station. Everybody out there, make sure you get your juice and everything. Get your glass of coffee, because you're going to go to sleep good tonight. And then you're going to wake up early, take a shower, make sure your body is nice and clean and fresh, because nobody want to smell the sticky. No, have to be clean, all right? July 25th, once again, Little June, a.k.a. La Punta Chol. Yeah, La Punta Chol. Big shout out to Showtime, DJ Primetime, yo, SB Sensation Band, yo, SKM Records once again, yo, Unity Soul, Philadelphia once again tuning in as well too, so we receiving this phone call right now. Yes, Little June, once again. Yes, once again.
Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Who's this?
Hello.
Who's this?
You live right now. We're waiting on your response. Yeah, hello?
Okay.
Yeah, this is Little June.
What's going on, brother?
Everything good. Everything blessed. What's up with you?
Congratulations on the new CD.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You gotta get it.
When we gonna see you in Chi-Town?
I will be in Chicago next week. Got a show Friday and Waukegan, Saturday, Chicago, and Sunday, Belize Day as well.
I'm gonna go everywhere else except for Waukegan. I don't like Waukegan.
She like, it's too far, but I will be there. I will be in Chicago, and the brand new album is gonna be there as well. So make sure you get it, because if you don't get it, I don't know what to tell you.
I already got the other one, so I'm gonna get the new one.
Oh, we're gonna Do You Wanna Dance, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be.
And let's see if you bring some T-shirts.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, we're gonna be like, get your T-shirt. Hey, ha. All right. Appreciate the course. Take care.
All right.
God bless. Yeah, once again, you live on the radio with Little Joe, a.k.a. Labuga, alongside DJ Labuga. We got GK in the building. Once again, we do this. Yo, Honduras no. Labuga no Balisine, ya tú sabes, atiele Little Joe, a.k.a. La Punta Show. 25 de julio en Los Ángeles. Ay, qué rico. Hey, suavecito para abajo, para abajo. Nice and smooth. Go down. Keep going down. All the way down. Para abajo. Suelo. The floor. The street. A la calle. The plane. Ay, rápido. Arriba. Para todos viejos y viejas, Garinado, grandma, grandpa, everybody, come out July 25 for everybody in the whole world, the left, South America, Central America, Africa, whatever, the sun, whatever, the New York, the Brooklyn, the Bronx, right? Okay, and the Bronx and the Queen Bridge, everything, okay? Everybody for the life, everybody together. Together for the life of the July 25, okay? Todo el mundo, everybody, whole body. Gracias. Bambi, bobo, Bambi. Ay.
Gracias, familia. Un saludo muy cordial allá para nuestra gente linda de Tegucigalpa. Están activados allá en Tegucigalpa. Gracias por reportarse. Thank you for the love, for all the people who are tuning in Honduras, of course, live and direct from the studios in Long Beach. This is Garifuna Music on Talk every Wednesday. And we want to thank Little June for having made that trip, man. After going to school, the man is tired. The man is busy doing his thing, you know, and then take time away from his daily routine to come to the studio in Long Beach and to do this live concert right here. It's amazing. We owe it to you, brother. We'll be there to support. We'll bring our $25 on hand, and we'll pay our admission this Saturday to come and see the big lineup. Of course, Reckless will be in the house, straight from Belize, from Lloyd and Reckless. Of course, Reckless is here, and of course, Coco Man, formerly from Garifuna Kids from New York, will be here, of course, for July 25th for a Little June birthday party. Also, Tucumán, formerly from Casabe, Agrupación Tucumán, estará en vivo también este sábado, 25 de julio, ahí en el Mi Palazzo Banquet Hall de la 70 y Vermont. Así es de que no se olviden, tickets a la venta, $25. If you are interested in calling in for tickets, make sure, you can give me a call as well, 323-898-6841. We'll give you the information on how to get the tickets, or we'll make the tickets available to you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We again want to thank G-Kid for the love and support. I'll let him say goodbye to all the audience tonight as we are getting ready to close down the show. It's only about 9 minutes away from our closing time, and I want to say thank you to all of you. And of course, G-Kid, what's up?
Yeah, I just want to say good night to everybody. This is Little June Day, so we celebrating for Little June this past Saturday. Please come and support. He's doing real big things, man. Just support my little man. You know, shout out to the G-Kid family. You know, guaf all day. You already know. So just shout out to my people, man. Shout out to everybody out there that's supporting the movement. The movement is getting stronger and stronger every day. New York, I see you. I see you, Coco. What up, Pequeño? You already know. So we over here, man, just doing big things, man. Celebration is June Day. You already know. I see you Saturday. If you want to meet the G-Kid family and everybody else, we there. You know what I'm saying? SKM in the building as well. You know. Much love to everybody, man. All the Garifuna, Honduras, Guatemala, Belize. Aquí estamos, ¿me entendés? Let's do this.
Spice Killer,
you don't know this is Consigo endorsing, you don't know Little June birthday party CD release July 25th. Make sure no miss it. Don't know how you put that, so do it. Check SK.
Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Batman forward. Mr. Nobody beats it. I'm say I ding dong ravers clear.
Oh my God. Okay, before everybody get ready to go to the bed and everybody get your punta ticket ready, because the Little Jude aka La Puta Show is coming live once again. Thank everybody for coming out here tonight. Matter of fact, don't come out here. I'm going to rewind that back. I want to say, thank you for tuning in to the radio station. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Take a look. Hey, wait. Before we go to sleep, right? Okay, you can take off your punta outfit now. You can feel free. Watch this now. You ready? Help me go. Oh, he got oh my God, oh my God. Jesús. Ay, 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 qué rico. Otra vez. Hey, bomba. Hashala. Hey, bomba. Haru chuchu. Hacha. Haru chuchu. Labuga. Otale, bomba. Otale, bomba. Ah, buya, mini, mini. Ay, tu, 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 tu. Ay, mama. Tucutapo. 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 Ay, 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 qué rico, mi gente. Yo, July 25th is gonna be serious. DJ Labuga, watch it. I'm really having a good time. Little June, aka La Punta. The new chapter, July 25th. You're gonna have songs like Do You Wanna Dance, Saku de Bay, Do You Wanna Dance, Ayo Ayo, Suavecito. Man, you know what? Okay. Hi. You thought Little June was done? All right, here we go. Watch this now. You ready? Hey. Oh my God, too hard. Muy caliente para mi gente de Honduras, Guatemala, Belice, todo el mundo, México, Nicaragua, toda clase de countries. All right, states, everybody on Little June, aka La Punta Show, live and direct. Thank you, Garifuna, ayo, no. Thank you, Nia Boom. Oh, thank you, Nia Boom. Hey, gracias. Hi, Little June, DJ Labuga. Once again.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it every Wednesday, live and direct, especially tonight. Very nice show, along with Little June, G-Kid, Mama Garifuna, all the audience listening from Brooklyn, from the Boogie Down, Bronx, and of course, Los Angeles, Houston, Dallas. Checking in directamente de Tegucigalpa, Honduras, también en vivo y a todo color. David Ruiz, yes, qué motea. Wapina, Wafeduha. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. We are going to say goodnight tonight, but don't forget, next week, another special guest. And I want to thank Little June tonight for spending such a wonderful time with us. Thank you so much, my brother.
I love you all. Little June, aka La Punta Show, once again. Thank you. Aji. You want to jail one more time before we go? Yeah. You got to go to sleep. Hasta la cama, hasta mañana. ¿Me entiendes? Go to bed for work tomorrow. Tienes que trabajar mañana, mi gentes. You don't want to go to sleep? No. Look at it on me. You know, all right. No, that wasn't correct. All right, you see? Para toda mi gente, vamos para abajo. Everybody, we're gonna go down. Mi gentes, para abajo. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Para abajo. Go down. Para abajo, para arriba. Come up. Hi. That's a nice exercise. You should keep doing it. Little June, aka La Punta Show, thank you. Seremenia boom. Thank you. Buenas noches, mi gentes. Little June. Thank you, DJ Labuga. Mama Ga, can we get that sound effect? Oh. Yo, G-Kid in the building, yeah. That's going to be the new slogan. DJ Labuga, much respect, much love and support. I'll always tune into your radio station, even when I'm not on it. I just want to take the time to say thank you for giving me the opportunity and appreciation, love, dedication, appreciate everything that you do for Lil June. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, 100%. No matter how far I am, years from now, I'll always have that love and respect for DJ Labuga. Always, 100%. I will always remember being here on July 22, 2014, even the first time I came. You know what I mean? September 10, 2013. You know what I mean? Came here the first time. But no, 14. Okay. September 10, 2014, right? And this is my second time Labuga, and I'll always continue coming here no matter how big, how far I am. Doesn't matter. DJ Labuga is a home for me. Yeah! Respect. Good night. Thank you.
GAHFU presentó Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Es un programa semanal de 7 de la noche a 9 de la noche todos los miércoles a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com en Los Ángeles y www.lmbroots.com radio en Nueva York. Tune in next Wednesday again for Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We're live and direct through www.radiocentroamerica.com and lmbroots.com radio in New York. Wednesdays from 7 to 9 p.m.
When we can the Labuga, our couple in the club. When we can the Labuga, our couple in the club. When we can the Labuga.